All right, so I know for a long time, got some on the grill there. Let's see if anything got on the radiator, because this would be a nightmare.
Mm-hmm.
Need a flashlight. All right. What we got in the radiator?
Nothing.
Down here. Let's look down here. Way down.
Way down there? That second radiator?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a bunch of them in there. So, from what we can see, absolutely nothing on the radiator at all. Okay.
Now put your hood down and show how easy that is to just wipe off. Like if the wind's blowing or movement, it'll eventually clean itself. But if you gotta stop.
You ready?
Yeah. Yeah, now touch it.
The wind would blow that off.
Yeah, love it.